buddy.
Hello, Food Network Nation. Welcome to Cooking with Chemistry. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the best pancakes using what you learned in your high school chemistry class. Ingredients you're going to need: flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, buttermilk, eggs, and butter. First, you'll combine all our dry ingredients into a large bowl. Okay, you're going to start 2 cups of flour. Make sure to flatten that baby out. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Perfect. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, we'll put all our wet ingredients into a separate bowl. You'll need 2 cups of the finest cultured buttermilk, 2 eggs, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Before we get into the magic, let's preheat our griddle over medium heat. The chemistry comes in when we stir the wet ingredients into the dry mix. If you look through a microscope, flour contains 2 different kinds of proteins called glutenin and gliadin. When moistened and mixed, these proteins link together to form a sticky molecular mesh known as gluten. Next, you need to add a leavening agent. This is something that fills the gluten with air. Without it, leavening breads like cake, muffins, and loaves of bread would be pretty inedible. Traditionally, people use biological agents like yeast for this purpose. The yeast munches on sugars and excretes carbon dioxide, making thousands of little air pockets in the gluten. Put the dough in the oven, and these air pockets expand. The gluten transforms from a gooey, sticky mess into a dry, spongy substance that we call bread. But yeast is slow to act, so we rely on a quick chemical reaction instead. Baking soda is really an alkaline powder called sodium bicarbonate. It's a base, and we use buttermilk, which is acidic, hence the sour tart taste. If you mix these 2 together, and the laws of high school chemistry tells you, you're going to get salt, water, and carbon dioxide. These are the little bubbles that rise up as you stir the batter together. As you can see. You want to quickly cook your pancakes so not to lose these precious bubbles. This reaction works because buttermilk is acidic, regular milk isn't. So if you're making pancakes with milk, you want to use only baking powder instead. Okay, now we're going to take our batter we just made over to the grill. You'll know it's ready when you throw some water on and it sizzles. Now, we're going to butter the pan lightly. Just 1 tablespoon will probably work. Once it's buttered, you want to scoop it on. Once you see bubbles start forming, carefully flip the pancakes. The last reaction we'll see is the most complex and interesting part of the process. This is the Maillard reaction. It's the step that gives pancakes their aroma and that gorgeous golden brown color. When you raise the heat on your pancake mix, the amino acids that make up the proteins begin to chemically bond with carbon and oxygen atoms from sugars. The end result is a complex brew of hundreds of different aromatic flavors, including molecules that give your food a distinctive and rich palette of flavors. Okay, Mr. Ramsey, here's the pancake you wanted. I know you're gonna like it. People love our food. We work tirelessly 8 hours a day.
Me and blowing smoke up my ass, telling me working there 8 hours a day cleaning.
Telling me that food is great, people love it.
I am myself.
I don't know, do you need diapers or something? Because I don't think you should be pooping on yourself.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Just trying to act like a idiot?
No, I'm not. I think you're the one that sounds like an idiot.
I sound like an idiot. Unbelievable.
Oh, let me guess. You think you know the problem about this restaurant?
Now I know the problem in this restaurant. I'm staring at it.
No, I'm staring at the problem. Oh, you've done it now, chef!